What's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Bring you another quick tip. You might want to pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you because it could save you thousands. I know nowadays people are doing a lot of their own repairs, especially with the cost of things like gas, food, insurance, the of course, but that's another story. And people are trying to save a dollar when they can. And that's awesome. I'm great with that. Matter of fact, that's why I started this channel, to help people like you fix their cars at home to save that dollar. But check out this '08 Acura MDX. His only problem was he had a leaking radiator. So here's your quick tip. Make sure if you're gonna put that radiator in yourself or get a friend to do it, do a little bit of research first. See what it takes to put it in and fill it up. He didn't follow any procedures. And by not following the procedures, check out what happened. When he was all done, he started up the vehicle, went on his drive, heading on home, not paying attention to any warning signals or that the car was overheating. And look what happened. And that's right, you guessed it. Started blowing smoke out the tailpipe, blew a head gasket. And that $300 radiator job just turned into a $2,000 head job. And if you're doing this at home, take some extra steps, do some research so you don't have this kind of problem. All right guys, that's it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.